Hello, kids. I'm Bubu. Welcome to Bubu Cat TV. A place of... Oh my gosh, Bubu is falling. Why is everything so huge to Bubu? This flower is way too strong for Bubu.
Hello! Is anyone here with Bubu?
It's beautiful. But Bubu is a little scared. Oh no! Get off Bubu's fast! Bubu won't give up. Bubu must explore deeper. Huh? Who's making that tiny sound for Bubu to hear? Something is on Bubu's nose. Hello, Big Cat Bubu.
Oh, Bubu thought it was a monster. But you're adorable.
Don't crawl into Bubu's ear. Woo! You can fly so sparkly. Show Bubu more. Don't go near the bees, Bubu. Why is Bubu not allowed to go there? Can you guide Bubu to explore more of this insect world? All right. Bubu is ready for the next adventure. Alert! Giant Bubu intruder detected. Wait, Bubu didn't do anything.
Why are you preparing to attack Bubu?
Defend the colony.
Please don't bite, Bubu. Please don't. Bubu is innocent. Bubu will run away now.
Why do you ants have weapons against Bubu?
For justice. Bubu must escape right now. YWW. Bubu didn't mean to step on your road. Please stop chasing Bubu. Bubu didn't eat any ants. Why are you chasing Bubu so hard?
Bubu is falling.
Bubu didn't mean to scare you.
Advance!
Bubu can't deal with ant formations.
Bubu has to climb to safety. Bubu doesn't want to slide like these.
Surround the giant Bubu!
No, don't surround Bubu. Bubu is escaping through here. Bubu didn't mean to run into that crazy bush. Uh-oh. This doesn't feel safe for Bubu.
Ow! Bubu's butt hurts! Who disturbed the hive of the bee kingdom?
Sorry, Bubu. Didn't mean to. Bubu promises not to touch honey ever again. No! Don't sting, Bubu, please!
Bubu must run before Bubu becomes bee food.
Bubu is running as fast as Bubu can! Why are the bees so fast? Bubu can't keep up.
Stop right there, intruder Bubu.
Bubu is not an intruder, Bubu just fell. Stoop hitting Bubu's foss grass. Sorry, Bubu didn't see you.
Formation attack on Bubu.
Why does every insect want to catch Bubu today? Bubu is rolling again. Roll, roll, roll. Bubu escaped. Bubu is safe. Maybe? Are you the frightened Bubu everyone's talking about? Yes, Bubu is super scared today. Are you here to save Bubu? Hop on, Bubu. You're not safe on the ground. Bubu likes flying, but Bubu is also super scared of heights.
Hold tight, Boo-Boo-Boo. Bubu is holding on for dear life.
Bubu is flying too fast. Slow down. Can't. They're catching up. Bubu is getting dizzy. Bubu can breathe again. Bubu is alive. You're safe now, Bubu. Thank you so much for saving Bubu. You still have one more step to return home. Is that the way home for Bubu? Yes, Bubu. Step into the light. Bubu met so many insects today. Bubu will never forget this adventure.
Be careful not to bother beehives next time, Bubu. Bubu promises Bubu won't do that ever again.
All right, Bubu is ready to go home now. Okay, here Bubu goes. Bye, insect world. Bubu will miss you. Thank you for watching with Bubu today. I had so much fun with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning with Bubu every day.